Do you love pears? If you do, then you would love the poached pear recipe without wine. They are a delicious, quick, and easy dessert. Besides, it has fewer calories than other desserts. Moreover, you can add vanilla beans, cinnamon, and raisins to give it an extra touch and flavor. Usually, poached pear recipes have wines or alcohol. However, these versions are alcohol-free, so that your children can enjoy them too. So, enjoy these recipes for dinner parties with friends and family. Likewise, you can enjoy these warm desserts with your family on the weekend while watching your favorite shows. Additionally, you can prepare these desserts a day before and warm them up or serve them cold. Keep in mind that you can simmer poached pears with red or white wine, including water syrup. For this recipe, we will be replacing the alcohol with apple juice or lemon juice. Also, these recipes are a good way to incorporate fruit into your diet. Make these recipes and serve them to your family and friends and enjoy. What you will need for a simple poached pear recipe without wine. Ingredients: 200 milliliters of apple juice, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 15 grams of sugar, half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 3 pieces of cardamom pods, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 pieces pears. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Before anything else, peel your pears using a peeler or paring knife. And do not remove the stalks. Step 2. After that, take a large saucepan and place your apple juice, lemon juice, sugar, ground cinnamon, pears, cardamom, and vanilla extract inside. Step 3. Then, cover your large saucepan. And make sure to let pears simmer for about 15 minutes. Or simmer till they become tender and delicate. Step 4. Afterward, take your slotted spoon and remove the pears out of the saucepan and set them aside. Step 5. Next, boil the liquid mixture in the saucepan until it reduces into a sticky sauce. After that, place your pears into the serving dishes and drizzle some sauce over them. Step 6. Finally, serve warm, or you can also chill it and enjoy. What you will need for a vanilla poached pear recipe without wine. Ingredients: 4 pieces of brown pears that have no blemishes and bruises, lemon juice, 2 cups of sugar, 6 cups of water, split and seeded vanilla bean. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. First and foremost, peel each pear and do not remove the stems. Then, take your lemon juice and sprinkle each pear with lemon juice to avoid browning or oxidizing while peeling the other pears. Step 2. Afterward, put your sugar and water in a saucepan over medium heat and stir with a ladle or a spoon until the sugar dissolves completely. Step 3. Then, increase the heat and let the liquid mixture simmer for about 5 minutes. Step 4. After that, add your pears and the split, seeded vanilla bean. Then, cover your saucepan and allow your pears to simmer in the mixture for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, or until they become tender. Step 5. Next, turn your pears occasionally to ensure even cooking. Remove your pears from the saucepan using a slotted spoon and make sure to set them aside to allow your liquid mixture to reduce for a while. Step 6. Next, place your pears on the serving dishes and drizzle with some reduced liquid mixture. Remember, you can serve it warm or cooled. What you will need for an easy alcohol-free poached pear recipe without wine. Ingredients: 3 pieces of pears, 1 quart of water, 1½ cups of sugar, 1 piece of vanilla bean or a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, 5 pieces of cloves, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, a dash of ground ginger, raisins, dried cranberries, cherries, or blueberries. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Peel and cut your pears into quarters using a paring knife. Then, remove the stem and center of your pears. Step 2. Afterward, heat your water and sugar in a large saucepan and add your spices. Step 3. Next, lay your pears in the saucepan and bring them to a boil. After that, reduce to a simmer and cook for about 20 minutes. With that, make sure to do this once the water reaches the boiling point. Step 4. Then, turn your pears over halfway through the cooking time, if not fully submerged. Allow the pears to cool in the liquids and let the pears soak for 20 minutes before serving. Step 5. After that, plate your pears in the serving dishes. Add some raisins or dried fruit to add extra flavor. Serve warm with a dollop of ice cream. Tips and tricks. In the simple poached pear recipe, reduce the sugar to cut down the carbs because the juice is already sweet. But if you desire it to be sweeter, you can add more. Ensure to use ground cinnamon rather than cinnamon stick to incorporate the cinnamon in the syrup. Likewise, you can serve the poached pear with syrup. Or you can put a dollop of your favorite ice cream or thick Greek yogurt. In the vanilla poached pear recipe, make cinnamon poached pears by replacing the vanilla bean with 2 cinnamon sticks. And for an Asian take on the dessert, replace the vanilla bean with 2 pieces of star anise. In addition to that, 2 thinly sliced pieces of lemon rind and 1 cinnamon stick. Also, for the easy and alcohol-free poached pear recipe, refrigerate the leftovers with the juice. And serve it cold with sweetened whipped cream. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.